everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to share with you guys my Walmart Ibotta haul. Now, I did actually go on Sunday because I really wanted to hit these bonuses, but I usually don't post my videos till Monday because I didn't want so many videos posting on Sunday, just to give you guys a heads up. But I did post this video super early so you guys could do some of these deals, but you gotta really pay attention to those bonuses, especially like in the middle of the weeks. There's some really good ones, and then they also have some ones at the end that are really good. So I'm just gonna share with you guys my quick haul that you guys can do if you guys need to finish some items and all that jazz. But the first deal I got is the Persil. Now, I love Persil laundry detergent. This is one thing that I just love. I don't like having anybody ever take it from my house. My mom uses it now, and it's like, no, don't take my Persil. This is mine. Yeah, there's one thing I'm obsessed with because I just love it so much. So this was $5.24. I used a $1 off coupon that we got from a couple weeks ago. You guys would pay $4.24 for this, but then you guys can submit a $2 rebate with Ibotta, and you guys can submit your receipt to Shopkicks. If you guys aren't familiar with Shopkicks, Shopkicks is an app where you guys have to have your location and your Bluetooth on, but you just walk in the store and you get points just by walking in the door. I've been using Shopkicks for probably going on almost 5 years now. I've used it for a very long time. But you just get points from walking in the door, and then you guys also get points for scanning certain items while you're in the store. You have to do it while you're in the store. And then if you guys buy certain items, then you guys get points for that. So I'm just giving you guys a heads up. I keep forgetting to use Shopkicks. I'm like, why not? It's free money. I've gotten money from them just, you know, I save up to buy my Disney gift cards just by scanning stuff. Hey, scan stuff, scan stuff. So just giving you guys a heads up with Shopkicks. I do have a referral link below where if you guys click my referral link, you guys can get points too. But you would just get this for $2.24. So it's not the greatest deal, but I still think it's a pretty good deal because I don't see as many great deals with Persil like I used to. So that is the reason why I got that. I ended up getting the nut thin crackers. Now these were $2.68. I used a 75-cent off coupon that we got. It would be $1.93 for this, but then you guys can submit a 75-cent rebate on Ibotta, making it just $1.18 for these. So I'm trying to eat a little bit healthier. I don't know if I'll like these, but I'm going to try to get Benjamin to eat it because they are wheat and gluten-free and low sodium. So that is a pretty great deal in case you guys want to do that deal. Now I ended up getting the Swirl Pops again. My son actually really likes these, but these are $2.12. You guys want to use that $1 off coupon that we got in last weekend's paper. You guys would pay $1.12 for this, but then you guys can submit a 75-cent rebate with Ibotta, making it just 37 cents. So I'm like, 37 cents for 12 popsicles. I think that is a great deal. Now they somehow don't freeze very well. I don't know if it's just my freezers is overpacked and we've just been using it like crazy. But yeah, and my crackers are slowly falling to the ground. I ended up getting the Pioneer Woman sauce again. This is stuff I'm just going to donate, but I get it just to get some rebates. But this is $2.48. You guys want to use that $1 off coupon that is on coupons.com. You guys would pay $1.48 for this, but then you guys can submit a 75-cent rebate with Ibotta. And you guys can submit your rebate to, or the receipt to Fetch Rewards, and you guys will get points. If you haven't bought this yet, you guys will get a nice big chunk of points, but otherwise I get 99 points for every time I buy this. But otherwise it comes out to be just 73 cents. So I think sauce for 73 cents is a pretty good deal. Did the Pringles deal again. We're going on a road trip, so I like to have snacks because, well, we're out and about. It's expensive. So these were $1.44. You guys want to buy 2 of them, you guys would pay $2.88 for both of these. But then you guys can submit a $1.44 rebate for 2 of them. on Ibotta, so it's like a buy one get one. So you guys would end up getting both of these for $1.44. I forgot to write down the price for it to be each, but you know what? If you can get Pringles pretty cheap. I remember when these used to be $1. You know, now they are slowly getting big, slowly getting higher and higher. I did the Poise deal at Walmart. Now these were $4.84. You guys want to use that $3 off coupon that we got from our inserts last weekend if you guys want, or you can use a Printable if you guys had them. You guys would just get this for $1.84, but then you can submit a $1 rebate with Ibotta, making it just 84 cents. Plus this also goes to Fetch Rewards, so I got 48 points for this. There is a deal where if you spend so much you get a big bonus, so definitely do that between here and Walgreens. Definitely be submitting your receipt, and that's a great deal at Walgreens all month long. Yes. I ended up getting this finished jet dry because I like the finish. This isn't the greatest deal, but I'm still gonna get it. So this was $3.97. I used that $1 off coupon that we got from a couple weeks ago. You guys would pay $2.97 for this, but then you guys can submit a $1 rebate on Ibotta, making it $1.97. Now there was another bonus that was for this. I don't know if it's by two separate transactions or by two different items. I didn't look at that, but there is a bonus that comes with this if you guys check that out. I bought the Ajax soap. Now this was $1.87. I used a 50-cent off coupon that we got. You guys would pay $1.37 for this, but then you guys can submit a 50-cent rebate with Ibotta. It comes out to be just 87 cents. So I say, hey, if you can get a big jar for under $1, definitely go for it. So there's that. Now I ended up getting the big thing of Kotex. Like, I got a big thing of Kotex pads, and these are perfect to donate. I still have to post my donate video for my feminine products. But these were $5.64 for the both of these. You guys want to use that $2 off coupon at Walmart. Now those coupons never scan. I'm just giving you guys a heads up. If your store is very particular on these coupons, just giving you a heads up, they have to override it for me every single time because these coupons just don't ever scan. I don't know why. I hate it. I did go to the self-checkout again, you guys. I'm really liking the self-checkout just because I can take my time. But yes, $2 coupon. You guys would pay $3.47 for this. But then you guys can submit a $2 rebate for this. Comes out to be just or $2.64. You guys do that $2 rebate. Comes out to be $1.64, which is an okay deal. Plus, I also got 1,500 points for buying this on Fetch. I had to spend so much on Fetch, and it came out to that. So I got 1,500 points. Plus, I got 56 points on Fetch. And you guys can also get points with this through Shopkicks. I think I got 200 points or 400 points through Shopkicks on this. So definitely do that. You can scan it, and you can scan your receipt and get points for that. So I definitely got money for that back. I ended up getting the Kotex tampons. Now these were $5.47. You use that $2 off coupon. Comes out to be $3.47. You guys would get $2 back with Ibotta. This also went towards Fetch Rewards. I didn't get any points for Shopkicks, but I did get points for Fetch for that, and I got 54 points for that. So this comes out to be $1.47. So I think $1.47 for a big pack is a pretty decent deal. So I mean, if you guys can get some really good boxes on feminine products, now things are falling. I knew that was going to happen. I ended up getting just a Gatorade bar. Now this was over in the Slim Fast aisle in case your store doesn't have them. But these were $1.48. You guys would pay $1.48 for this, but then you guys can submit a 50-cent rebate, making it just 98 cents. I bought this last month or last week also, so I ended up getting a 50-cent bonus for buying 2 different items and 2 different transactions. And you guys can get points for Fetch Rewards. I got 14 points from Fetch Rewards for this, but with that 50-cent bonus, it comes out to be just 48 cents for this. So I think that's a pretty great deal. And then I got the Excedrin. Make sure you guys scan the items when you're at the store just in case, you know, something doesn't go right. But these were $4.27. These actually have gone up in price because I remember they were $3.68 at one point. Now they're $4.27. I used a printable $1.50 off coupon that I got from the Excedrin website. So you guys would pay $2.77 for this. But then you guys can get a $1.75 rebate for this one. It was this one or the migraine where you get $1.75. The other ones you get $1, but this one you get $1.75. Plus I had a 25-cent any pain reliever, so I got that. And I also got $1.50 back from Saving Star. So this came out to be a 73-cent moneymaker. So I got this absolutely free. So that was my haul. My total came to $30.19 for everything. I got $14.69 back with Ibotta normally for everything. So if you guys did exactly what I got, you guys would get $14.69 back. I also will be getting $1.50 back with Saving Star. And then I also got that 50-cent bonus for the Gatorade. But since I said I'm doing this on a Sunday instead of normally on my Monday, I just really wanted to hit that $10 bonus. I ended up getting the big boom bonus is what it was called, so I got $10. I had to get 30 rebates to get that. So between my last Monday's haul and today's haul, I finally reached it. So I got an additional $10. I finished level 2. So I got $1 for finishing level 2, and then I finished the Weekend Warrior, which usually ends on Mondays anyways, so it was a $3 bonus right there. So my grand total came to a 50-cent moneymaker. I got literally everything for free, you guys. That is just crazy. Everything was for free. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So everything was free. I mean, if I didn't get that Gatorade, it would have been just absolutely free. Like, my thing would have been zero. But yeah. So I was pretty excited about that. I hope you guys can get some great deals. Definitely check out your bonuses. If you guys haven't already, join my team. You can either be Facebook friends with me. I do have a link for you guys to Facebook friend request me. I've been getting a lot of people requesting to be my friend on my personal Facebook. I will not accept you. I will only accept you on my Ibotta Facebook page. I do have a link, you guys. You can be Facebook friends with me, and I have it pinned to my Deals by DesignerJen. So you can do that. Otherwise, if not, click your referral link and you guys will get money when you guys submit your first receipt. So just give you guys a heads up with that. But other than that, that was my Walmart haul. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.